Yeah, I've used HuntStand for every aspect of this hunt, from scouting to tracking. Before the season started, we got out, we marked all the deer sign, we used a trace tool to walk runways and just get a better idea of where deer are moving. We also have a pretty extensive trail camera network, and we mark all our trail cameras in the app, and then we share our hunt areas so we all know where we're moving cameras. We also have a lot of friends and family who come out to hunt our land, and by sharing hunt areas with them, we can help them find stands that they may have not even been to before, and they can kind of get a better lay of the land. When it came to tracking the deer I shot, I pulled out my phone and followed along as Ben and his dog tracked the deer. Using the trace tool, it was really cool to see the dog take the exact same path that the deer took. Along the way, you can mark where you find blood and anything else along the trail. And I highly recommend anytime you shoot a deer to use the HuntStand trace tool. Before Ben arrived, we used property boundaries since we knew the deer might be close to our neighbor's land. We were able to get access to his information quick and get him on the phone and get the permission we needed in case we needed to go on his land to recover my deer. I really enjoy using all the features in the HuntStand app. It makes hunting out here super easy.